Morning, ma'am. I am Justin Brian C. Abadir from BSCD 1D. So, I created this soap basket because I wanted to show my love for my family, and by this, I hope that my parents appreciate the small things that I made for them. So, I choose the color red because it symbolizes love, and that's why I choose the color red because I really love my family and I wanted to make them feel how much I love them. And also, this gold ribbon, I chose this because this symbolizes love and affection or love and care within the family. So I gave this soap basket to my mother because she is the one who gave birth for me in this world so I can experience life of having a mother and father and a brother. So this makes me sad because I can't give this to my father because he's very busy on his work and I don't want to disturb him, but I still love him. My family, I love them very much. So that's all. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.